Just doing a quick video. I'm here at the last carpet shop before the M56 in Hale Barnes, and on the back of the truck we've just picked up 2 old petrol pumps to restore. I'll do your proper video when we get back. Apologies if it's a bit windy, but managed to get the pumps home. But as you can see, it's the original 4-star pumps, so they are quite old. Original stickers on them. There's a conversion from litres to gallons as well. Gonna just get them put back together. There's no covers for them, unfortunately, so we'll have to make something. I'm not too sure whether to make it out of steel or they appear to be made out of fiberglass. If you have a look, just got the challenge of trying to get them off the truck from there down there. All that rubbish is from doing the house up. Hopefully that'll be gone soon, and that's when we'll be back on the project. So they're on the ground. Wasn't the easiest thing to do. I've got pump 1, pump 2. They're slightly different. You see the conversion charts on them now. It wasn't a self-service garage, which I found interesting as well. Getting a little bit of water on them. Might have to cover this one in so it doesn't get too wet. Does anyone know that's watching if there's any way that I can get this lit up? It's got some sort of LED, I think there's some type of LED. It's in litres, not gallons. Still smell the fuel on them. So I've got a diesel one, unleaded. This is on pump 1, and we've got the 4-star and unleaded on pump 2. Just need to get the covers made. So I'll probably do a little bit of a build series on these when I get back round to them. If you think it's worthwhile, let me know what you think.